So see, first of all, I believe that this government has gone on a withdrawal mode. If you look at it, आम्ही starting सांगलेलें की जे the opposition will corner this government. If you look at the 16 days, these are withdrawal symptoms. Alcoholica की ज़्यादा withdrawal symptom गेल म्हणटकीर की थोडा लाग जाते. घाताय मुखार, काटाय हाटल्या, सर जायो, सर नाका, बिल जाय, बिल नाका. ते भाशेन एक म्हाका दिसता आज बी नवीन सरकाराचो प्रयत्न चलता the way it is functioning. Specifically, the need of the hour that TCP minister we had asked highlighted about hill cuttings, about the way convergence are happening, rampant convergence happening, and this is not in the interest of Goa. He has said he would look into it, into the way 39A 17(2) has been used. दूसरे the question that you put with regards to the regional plan. A regional plan जेन्ना बोवाळ जालो काँग्रेसाचो सरकारूय because of this land sale when Goa Bachao Abhiyan raised their voices. I highlighted that in the assembly. But at that time the government respected the sentiments of the people and that regional plan was scrapped. Now 2021's regional plan, I believe that is cannot be used because the value now. So hui na hui regional plan taking this exercise to the people, to the panchayats, to the municipalities, objection, and this is the only alternative. Fast forward alternative is not in the interest of this state. दुसरे आयच्या दिसाक जे म्हाका दिसता is a very important demand with regards to environment आणि legislature आणि ports. Environmentan जे आज घडटा, we have highlighted Wayanad, we have highlighted the way our rivers are polluted, we have highlighted that this land is the only land that we have in Goa and थोडो सारको वारो आहा आमकां उस्कार घेवपाक आमच्या मतदारसंघान कुंकोळ बी हिंगा उस्कार घेवपाक वारोय सारको. There is absolutely this environment ministry has failed with regards to protecting the interest, with regards to several, with protecting Madhai, with protecting all our rivers, with the way pollution is going on. I believe industrial industry, Verna industry, Kunkole industry, हे सगळे आमी आज highlight करतले of the rising threat to our ecology. And this is the 6th time I think that the central government has amended and increased 56,000 square kilometers of the Western Ghat area. Anek amendment after Wayanad. So I think this is an eye-opener even for the Environment Ministry. We are on a ticking bomb. And if we do not protect our environment, then ये landslide पडतींग जाता. माधव गाडगिलान झाला will happen in Goa.
विभाग अनेक म्हणजे काल फार्म हाऊस पॉलिसी सुद्धा जाय जाल्या हाडटा आनी तुमकां जाय जाल्या फार्म हाऊस दिता.
ना बाबा माफ ना करे साहेब. ते फार्म हाऊसा जे हेंगेले मंत्री हाय कसले बिजी आसता फार्म हाऊसा कितें जाता तुका खबर आहा फार्म हाऊसा थंयसर फार्म हाऊस बी हांग नाका हांग देवाक कृपेन दिलो घर आहा तें पुरो फार्म हाऊस बी हांग नाका. पूण फार्म हाऊसाच्या नांवान जे दुसरे जावं अमिताभ बच्चन इज अ फार्मर, शाहरुख खान इज अ फार्मर आनी कोण एक्टर इज अ फार्मर. सो हूंय ना हूंय कॉस्मेटीक हे फार्मर आसपाची पण थोडे म्हाका दिसता देन आय वॉज नॉट एन MLA. आय सॉ लॉट ऑफ MLAs ऑल्सो गोईंग इन द फील्ड मात बीत घान सारकी तकली बी हें बांदून शेतां बितां वयताले त्यान कितें वचना तें खबर ना. सो आय एम अ सिंपल आम आदमी. आय एम नॉट अ फार्मर बट आय एम एन आम आदमी एंड आय बिलीव दॅट these rules have to be acted जे मुनकार्यल एक्ट गोंयकारांक म्हाका दिसता हूंय ना हूंय if they want to create farm houses okay but several outsiders are coming and this is a if you look at the trend it is very worrying.
युरिबाब you have mentioned about कुंकोळे म्हणजे खूप पोल्युशन जालें रोजगार घेवपा मेळना म्हणटा तूं कितें एक्झॅक्टली कशें
कितें आहा मरे तेमी एअर क्वॉलिटी इंडेक्स चॅक करपाक तेंकोडे मॅकॅनिझम ना सारकें फकत सेफ मदें सांगताय. टुडे यू लूक एट द वे पोल्युशन इज गोईंग अंधा कानो no absolutely no mechanism and somehow this is the third I think at least 6th session and this is the 7th session. 7 sessions I've been raising it and now I will see JF fish mill plant they are leaving water into this borewell. I have asked, I've got an assurance from Babush Monsarat that he would come to Kunkolim Industrial Estate. I've got an assurance from Subhash Shirodkar that he will come to in the industrial estate. So definitely all these loopholes. Today I will tell the Environment Minister also what are the problems happening and definitely Chief Minister and सांगिले आपण सांगत मोते. At this फक्त one important thing is while speaking about legislation आम्ही आता oppositionाक प्रश्न मांडले सगळे मागीर नोटेड उतर दिले बरें जालें हेंक धाडा तेंक धाडा हें आतां जे विधानसभेन जाता चीफ सेक्रेटरीन हेजे नंद घेवपाक जाय. These issues need to be taken to a logical conclusion. I know for a fact that in the past this was a normal practice, but I believe that the bureaucrats have failed. An assurance committee people put jata hai, they have to look into these assurances given to us.
Yuri Baba, Minister said the crore of meter of land has been converted in the past. So this conversion has happened in the Congress time also?
See, let me tell you one thing. This crores of land was done by open and closed minister of the BJP government. When he was open, he's been closed now. It has been done during his tenure. From 12 to 24. 12 on to 17 on, specifically on 16B. हे ओपनिंग कोणान केल्लें ओपनिंग बॅट्समॅन पळाल्ले BJP सरकार आहलो आनी हेमी म्हाका दिसता हो पड क्लोज केलो आहा एक जो केरला हे दिसान भोंवता दिसता म्हाका प्रॉपर्टी लागून तेगेली तेमी 1 करोड 40 लाख कन्वर्ट केली. यू कॅन सी हू इज डिड इट नॉट द काँग्रेस द BJP. वेन द काँग्रेस डिड इट दे स्क्रॅप द प्लॅन बिकॉज पीपल केम आउट. So 12 to 24 कौन है रे 12 वर्ष? You know who did it.
Sir, in your constituency, pothole issues are there. What are the assurances you got?
What was that? Assurance, he said he is going to do okay, noted. I सांगला त्याका भाऊजी नाला फोन मार. फोनही माल झाला खबर ना. पण याद आगे जात.
Thank you.